Hello everyone and welcome to this video, guys. Today in this video I will show you step by step how to change leverage on Exness. So guys, to change leverage, all you have to do, log in the first step on account. If you don't have account, you can create a free account easily, and from here you have demo and real account. If you have demo, just follow the step. On the real, the same step. I just create this demo account to test how to show you how you can change. If you click my account and there you real account, from here you find the three dots here. Click on the three and click change the maximum leverage, and from here you can change easily without any problems and confirm your operation. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video. So you have the variety, guys, on one till you choose, as you can see here, on 1 to 20, 50, 100, 200, 400, 500, 600 and 1000. This is how you can do, and unlimited. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like, share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.